Now, class 9A and C, one very interesting chapter, election. Election is most interesting chapter. We have to choose someone. Election. In India, there are two kinds of election, general and by-election. General election after every 5 years. By-election if casualty is there, if re-election is there, re-poll is there, then they conduct the by-election. What is the procedure of the election? Election constituencies. In India, for Lok Sabha, we are having 552 electoral constituencies till 2020. In this reserved constituency, how many reserved constituencies we are having? The ratio which we given here are called the reserved constituencies. Approximately every year, every 5 years, it change on the basis of population growth. Then voter list, nomination of candidate, election campaigning, polling, counting. Today we are doing one interesting activity. Before starting with this chapter, we are doing the activity. We are having two leaders, and through these two leaders, I will explain the chapter. Voter list. For the sake of voter list, 9A and 9C, name of the students. That is the voter list for today's activity. Nomination of candidate. We are receiving two nominations of the candidate one from 9A and one from 9C, direct election. Now they were doing election campaigning. Right now, just I am on the mics of these students. They were doing election campaigning. After the election campaigning, we do the polling. The student of 9th and C vote for them, send privately, and then after I will count the vote and announce that whosoever choose the leader in this election 2020 election for class 9 and C. Are you ready? Are you all ready for that? Anurag Vyas.
Yes, sir.
Yes, start Anurag.
Sir, sir, भाषण.
Yes, you can use Hindi also. No problem.
Okay, sir. मेरे प्रिय साथियों, आप सभी को मेरा प्रणाम। आज मैं आपके सामने कुछ ऐसे वादे रखने जा रहा हूं जो मैं मंत्री बनने के बाद आपसे करूंगा। मैं पूरे वादे के साथ कह रहा हूं कि मैं टीचर्स को बिल्कुल होमवर्क नहीं देने दूंगा। होमवर्क देने के बाद अगर वो कुछ भी होमवर्क दे देते हैं तो उन्हें उस स्कूल से निकाल दिया जाएगा। होमवर्क देने के बाद अगर आपको कोई भी कष्ट हो तो आपका होमवर्क मैं कर लूंगा और पूरी इजाजत होगी कि आप स्कूल आवर्स में कहीं भी जा सकें, कहीं भी घूम फिर सकें, कहीं भी जा सकें, कुछ भी कर सकें। स्कूल में आवर्स में केवल 3 घंटे पढ़ाई चलेगी और पूरे टाइम में केवल 5 क्लासेस होगी और 5 स्पोर्ट्स के पीरियड्स होंगे। पूरी स्वतंत्रता होगी स्कूल में, नो होमवर्क, नो स्टडी, ओनली स्पोर्ट्स। ये मेरे आपसे वादे हैं। थैंक यू।
Okay, now you listen, अनुराग व्यास। आप लोगों ने अभी अनुराग व्यास को सुना। ये लीडरशिप आपको बता रहे थे कि ये आपको क्या क्या प्रोमिसेस कर रहे थे, ये फुलफिल करेंगे ये प्रोमिसेस। नाउ वी शिफ्टेड टुवर्ड्स माइक टुवर्ड्स ऋतुराज। यस ऋतुराज।
मेरे प्रिय साथियों, सभी को मेरा प्रणाम और सुप्रभात। अगर आप मुझे वोट करते हैं तो मैं आपकी सारी इच्छाएं पूर्ण करूंगी। आपको कोई होमवर्क नहीं मिलेगा, और अगर आपको कोई होमवर्क मिलता है तो मैं आपकी उसमें हेल्प करूंगी और बाकी बच्चों को भी आपकी हेल्प करने के लिए बोलूंगी। आपको बहुत सारे स्पोर्ट्स के पीरियड्स मिलेंगे और पढ़ाई बिल्कुल कम चलेगी। पूरी स्वतंत्रता होगी स्कूल में और आप जहां जाएं वहां घूम सकते हैं स्कूल में। आपकी इच्छा अनुसार पढ़ाई होगी और स्पोर्ट्स के पीरियड्स भी आपकी इच्छा अनुसार ही आएंगे। और आप जब चाहेंगे तब स्कूल का टाइम चेंज होगा और सारे टीचर्स का टाइम चेंज होगा। कौन सा पीरियड कब आएगा ये आप डिसाइड करेंगे, लंच कब होगा ये आप डिसाइड करेंगे। पूरी स्कूल आपके हाथ में होगी। थैंक यू।
Now these two students give their response. Now this is the time for voting. So privately vote for these two candidates. Everyone in chat box start writing. Privately vote for them. Anurag Vyas is A and Rituraj is B. Write down A and B only. Now after very good, one way, very nice, very nice. After counting of votes, as a presiding officer, now I am announcing that candidate A wins the election with the
Thank you,
difference
sir.
of 5 votes. Although the policies and program which he introduced with merely impossible, but in politics, this type of statement is liked by everyone. Dreamification is there and you all accepted the dreamification. So congratulations, Anurag Vyas. I am opening mic for everyone. Now, are you enjoyed the activity? Everyone, I am asking to everyone. So dear student, this is the process of our election. Although we are not having much time, but at least you participated, that's good. So with this activity, you learn different things. Now we are focusing towards the chapter. General election, it happens after every 5 years. By election, if the constituency is dissolved or the death of the person, midterm, they use this by election. Electoral constituencies means the areas decided by the government, that is known as electoral constituencies. For Lok Sabha election in India, we are having 552 electoral constituencies and it remains till 2020. Now this is over and it should be changed. Then reserved constituencies for ST, SC, OBC, females is all called reserved constituency. Voter list above the age of 18. Above the age of 18 and citizen of India have the right to vote. Is name of, just like a roll call register, name of the person that is consists in voter list. Then nomination of the candidate. Political party gives the symbol to the particular person. He is nominated for this post and she is nominated for that post. Nomination of candidate. After that, election campaigning, just now you heard two speakers, those were giving good election campaigning for the election of class 9, 10, A and C, and the perfect example that is in Bihar election, where everyone gives the employment. Just like that, they were having enough employment. So why they were waiting for election? Mr. Nitish Kumar, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, Tejasvi Yadav, everyone saying that we will give 10 lakh employment, we will give 25 lakh employment. So why you are waiting for last 5 years? So election campaigning. I can give you one more example of election campaigning of 2014 election when our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi said, "अच्छा दिन आने वाला है, भाइयों बहनों, हर एक के खाते में 15-15 लाख रुपए आएंगे." Then it was just an election slogan. Indira Gandhi, at the time of 1970s, she gave the slogan "गरीबी हटाओ", हटी गरीबी नहीं. लालू प्रसाद यादव, जब तक रहेगा समोसे में आलू तब तक रहेगा बिहार में लालू. मायावती, इलेक्शन कैंपेनिंग, तिलक तराजू और तलवार, इनको मारो जूते चाट. So the controversial segments. राहुल गांधी, इधर से मशीन में आलू डालो, उधर से सोना निकलेगा. Election campaign, giving false promises to citizen of the nation. Just now you heard two speakers, both of them give the false promises to us. So every political party, each and every political party have the same ideology to attract the people through their policies and program, that is election campaigning. During the time of election, everyone can at your home, please vote for me, please vote for me, please vote for me. Okay, so that is election campaigning. After the election campaigning, on the decided date, there was polling. The poll, just like the poll, that is online, because we are not having offline classes. Otherwise, I will give you the best experience of polling. But somehow we polled, and then after counting, just like I will count, and then the declaration of result. So this is the outline of your chapter. If you are having any doubt, write down in chat box.
Okay. So there were two candidates that were Anurag Vyas and Rituraj. They gave their campaign, and after elections, Anurag Vyas won the elections by 5 votes. So he gave many promises. We'll see that he will fulfill the promises or not. But all the people, all the class students were impressed by him, and now he has won the elections, and we will see that he will fulfill the promises or not. But till now he has won, and people are believing in him.
Okay.
आज इलेक्शन हुए थे और अनुराग व्यास और ऋतुराज के बीच में घोर हुआ है युद्ध। अब सूचना के अनुसार हमें ये पता लगा है कि अनुराग व्यास इलेक्शन जीत चुके हैं। उन्होंने ऐसे वादे किए थे जो संभवतः नहीं थे, लेकिन अब देखा जाएगा कि आगे उन्हें इम्प्लीमेंट कर पाते हैं कि नहीं कर पाते हैं। अगर इम्प्लीमेंट कर पाएंगे तो उनकी सरकार चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। अगर वो नहीं कर पाएंगे तो नहीं चलेगी। तो देखते हैं कि आगे क्या होता है।
Very nice.